Okay, here's something I picked up for $1 at the Goodwill shop. It was originally like two, but was half off, so I got it for $1. It's badged KMC, and we all know KMC was Kmart.
I know a place.
I know a place
Where life is good.
where life is good.
A brand new place.
A brand new place
In your neighborhood.
your neighborhood
Come to my place.
where dreams come true.
My saving place can save a lot of dollars for you.
My saving place. Kmart
Kmart.
is your saving
Yes, it is.
place. You need value face to face.
Every day.
Kmart
Kmart.
sells great merchandise.
You're gonna get value at a low, low price. Here at my place, you know you're gonna get more.
Get more.
My saving place has got a lot of value in store.
Saving place. Kmart
Kmart.
is your saving
Sing it for me, children.
The new Solon Kmart will celebrate its grand opening starting Thursday. Hundreds of grand opening specials await you at this and all Cleveland.
Exactly. I miss Kmart. I mean, I always used to find something at Kmart. Even if I didn't need it, I found it and I wanted it. And sadly, there only lies one more. It's in Miami. It's not even a real Kmart. They actually moved it into the garden center. It's now a mini Kmart. Kind of like a small Kmart. I don't know where this is going, but yeah. I saw this and I actually had a KMC alarm clock years ago, except this one had the settings here and the alarm here and a snooze there. Actually, right there. I don't know what happened to it. It probably died, or I loaned it out to a friend and it's gone. I don't know. I don't really care anymore. But yeah. And for the record, it's a little bit behind because I tried to set it, but the controls are a little bit knackered. It's not 9:47. It's more or less like, yeah, well, close enough. We'll make do. But let's look at the informations. It's a KMC 500, that small number, electronic LED alarm clock, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 65 watts, AC use only. Instructions for those who don't know how to work an electronic alarm clock that's not your phone. Pause it, zoom it, and take notes. QC passed. Made in Hong Kong. So, what I'm going to attempt to do is try the alarm. Not that it's going to be used as an alarm clock because the alarm on-off switch is kind of a little sticky, but we'll see what we can do. So, stand by. Alright, so just to go off in about 30 seconds, I had to do this quick, so as we're waiting, let me know what you're thinking about things right now. Comment box is open. So, yeah. Normally I pause this, but I want it right then and there. So, time keeps ticking away, ticking away. There are other songs about time, but I can't think of them right now. And I'm sure copyright won't be on my ass on this, so, yeah. Yeah, in the background, the furnace is kicking on. Seriously? Wow. Could it be any more generic? But effective. But yeah. That's that. This little KMC alarm clock model KMC 500 that I got for $1 at the Goodwill shop. That will probably end up being for display purposes only. And maybe an alarm clock as for the last resort. So until next time, Eskie, thanks for watching. Comment box is open.